A hat.
Cindy wears a hat on the weekend. Keep the dust and pollen out of my hair.
Thinking about that one.
Yeah. Thanks. I'll put that hat on.
He said, thank you.
Silly. That's silly.
Yeah, you like to wear stuff on your head.
Yay.
Ready?
The
Ready?
sun out of your eyes.
Hang on, let me get it balanced.
Your head doesn't
This
get
is
all
one of
burnt.
our games.
Your head doesn't get all burnt.
Hang on.
We can be the same.
Just keep it on his head.
Woo! Good mama, you. That's silly.
Did you
That's
good?
silly.
Did you good? You found the right spot. Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
That's silly. Do you think I got your kind of a picture of what it looked like with the ear level
Right.
and like the location of it? That'd be helpful, Pam.